Okay, you have the ratio R to S, which is equivalent to 3/4 to 5, and the ratio R to T, which is equivalent to 1/3 to 3/4. And the question wants you to combine all of these three ratios together. The reason you can't do that right now is because R appears in both ratios, but its number is different in both cases. So you can't just combine them all into one joint ratio. To do that, you'll need to make R in both cases the same number. So I'll write out 3/4 to 5, and that's just the ratio R to S. And then I'll write out R to T, and that's the ratio 1/3 to 3/4. So my goal here is to make this number for R the same as this number for R. So the first thing I'll do is just get rid of the fractions. So on this side, I'll get rid of the fraction by times it by 4. So I'll have 3 to 20. And over here, I'll get rid of the fraction by times it by 3. So I'll have 1 to 9 over 4. So now I've got a 3 over here and a 1 over here. And to make these the same number, all I'm going to do is multiply this ratio by 3. This will stay as 3 to 20. And this will become 1 times by 3 is 3. And 9 over 4 times by 3 is 27 over 4. So now I have the ratio where R is 3 here and R is 3 here. So I can write it in a ratio R to S to T is equal to 3. S would be 20 to 20, and T would be 27 over 4. And if I really wanted to get rid of all the fractions, I could just times everything by 4. So I get 3 times by 4, which is 12. 20 times by 4 is 80. And 27 over 4 times by 4, which is 27. So that is my final answer. So just to go over that again, what I had to do to actually write it out as a joint ratio is to get the value of R the same in both single ratios, and it wasn't the same up here. So I took these steps to make that happen.